Super common question I get is what day should you go ahead and launch ads, scale ads, and kill ads? People think that Facebook is even throughout the week. The answer is no. In the beginning of the week on Monday and Tuesdays, Facebook performs much worse, and it makes sense because on Monday and Tuesdays, people just came back from the weekend. They spent a bunch of money at the bar. They spent a bunch of money on shots. They bought a bunch of things. They went out and ate. Now it's Monday and Tuesday. They're back at work. They're sort of depressed, and they're not just willing to spend money, and they don't have money to spend. So that's why Facebook ads doesn't work as well on Mondays and Tuesdays, and those are the days you shouldn't launch ads and you shouldn't scale. But here's a video of me sort of telling a student that, yep, that's sort of the rule you should stick to. But if you have a strong product, you should still sort of scale a bit on those days, but double down on scaling when the weekend comes. Here's that video.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Actually, one more question. So basically, today's Monday, then tomorrow's Tuesday, Monday for them. So should I launch that with Creative 6 like the day after tomorrow? And by then, anyway, it would have spent like $80.
Can you repeat that again?
Basically, you know how on Monday and Tuesdays we don't launch ad sets? Should I just do it on like Wednesday?
What you could actually do, since your product is so strong, you could actually launch ad sets every single day, but launch say less ad sets on Monday and Tuesday and more ad sets on the weekend. As you can see, very straight to the point video, just reaffirming what I said at the beginning. But yeah, that's the days you should go ahead and scale and kill, and the days you shouldn't scale and kill on Facebook ads. I think I've seen no one talk about this, and this is a question that a lot of people ask me. Before we end today's video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses, the consulting course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all to do is drop a comment below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Question of the day: do you do anything throughout the week? Do you have like a 7-day formula? Like, for example, what I do, I like to sort of spend Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday killing, sort of end of Wednesday, Thursday, Friday launching, Friday, Saturday, Sunday upping budgets. That's sort of the broad blueprint that I follow. Do you have any blueprints? I might make a more in-depth video on that blueprint I just revealed, but that's an extra golden nugget on top of the golden nugget you got from today's video. So yeah, hopefully you guys found value today. All I ask, simple like of this video, hit the subscribe button. That's all I ask for all this free value. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. No BS, straight to the point content, meat and potato training. Peace.